Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech news. In today's video, we're diving into Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Is this the thinnest foldable ever? Let's find out. Main body. As far as we know, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is not making its way to Western markets just yet. However, thanks to recent leaks and renders, we can finally see this device from all angles. Now, what's new? Samsung has made this foldable slightly larger yet slimmer compared to the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. The exact dimensions? Unfolded, it measures 157.5 by 42.6 by 4.9 mm. It comes in one color, a striking black shadow, with a sleek stripe design incorporated into the Gorilla Glass Vitus 2 rear panel. It looks premium, no doubt. Samsung will be releasing this special edition in South Korea on October 28th, through their eShop, selected retailers, and major mobile carriers. The price? It's going to cost you $300 more than the regular Z Fold 6, but it comes with 16 GB of RAM. Unfortunately, it doesn't support the S Pen, which may be a deal-breaker for some. If you're impressed by the Z Fold Special Edition's design, you're not alone. It's slimmer, lighter, and packs a serious specs upgrade. With dual slightly larger displays, 512 GB of storage, and a powerful 200MP primary camera, this foldable looks set to impress. But there's a catch. For now, it's only available in Korea. We might see it in China, but Western markets? Not so fast. With Samsung proving they can create foldables this slim, we're eagerly waiting to see what they bring to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 next year. They'll need to keep up with rivals like Honor, who are pushing boundaries with their ultra-thin Magic V3 foldables. Samsung will need to go even slimmer with the Z Fold 7, or they'll risk falling behind in this competitive foldable race. For those of you wondering about cheaper foldable options, don't hold your breath. Despite earlier rumors, Samsung confirmed there won't be a budget Z Fold model this year. The Galaxy Z Fold SE is positioned as a premium alternative, not a budget-friendly option. Samsung's once dominant position in the foldable market has been challenged by competitors, particularly from China. To maintain their lead, they need to innovate faster and offer more value. Could the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition be a first step in the right direction? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Samsung fans should be excited. A foldable this thin and powerful suggests a promising future for the Z Fold lineup.